Welcome back to my channel. Glory here, and I'm going to be doing a very quick review of this beautiful wig I have on. This is from Ashimary Hair. Let me show you guys the bag. It's from Ashimary Hair. I bought this wig because I was going on vacation to DR and I needed something quick, something easy that would hold up well, you know, while you're on vacation. So I was doing some research and I found this company on YouTube. One of my subscribers that I follow had made a review on it, and I was like, you know, this wig looks really beautiful. I think I'm gonna purchase it, and I am so happy that I did. I love this wig. Okay, so let me just get into the specs of the hair. This is their, I'm looking at my phone for the order. This is their 5x5 HD transparent closure wig. It's not a frontal, it's a closure. I don't do frontals because my hairline is really low. Ooh. Right. I don't do frontals because my hairline is really low. And I don't want to get glue on my edges and lose edges, girl. Anybody got time for that? So anyways, this is the Ashimary Glueless 5x5 HD transparent closure wig, straight Brazilian hair in the natural color. I paid $218 for this. It's a 20-inch, supposedly. It's 20 inches. Okay, and the density is 250. Now, the only complaint I have about the hair is the density. I wish it was a little bit fuller, but then again, I could have picked a fuller density. Okay, so I purchased the wig. I'm looking at my phone, guys. I purchased the wig on August 18th, and it came on August 27th. So delivery wasn't too long, okay? And it did come in this bag, you know, with the net, you know, the usual with the lace and everything. And they also gave me lashes. It came with lashes. I don't wear lashes, so I didn't use them. But that's nice and cute that they gave you that. So the hair itself is beautiful. As you can see, it's a natural color. I did want to dye it, but I'm lazy. And I didn't feel like putting in the work to dye it. So that's why it's not dyed. I was going to dye it jet black, but I was like, that is so much work that I don't want to do. So never dyed it, but it looks fine still. So I didn't dye it, but I did pluck the hairline a little bit, and I did cut some baby hairs in there, and then I cut the lace, of course, you know, duh. But that's all I did. I didn't do anything else to it. Oh yes, I used these two products. So this is the Ebin Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray, and I got this in a color light warm brown and medium dark brown, and I kind of mixed these two together. And I like spray it in the, well, with laces. I spray it into the lace. I let it dry for like 5 minutes or so, and I just pop it on. I really like these products. It makes the lace look really scalp-like, really natural. I just bought these. Unfortunately, when I was going to DR, I didn't have these. I just used my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I just used that in the part, and that worked fine too. But then I came home to the States, honey, and found these babies, and I'm in love. This is nice. This is a nice product. It's so easy to use. So far, I like it. I can do a full review. There's one other shade that's comes after this one. I think it's like the dark brown one. I didn't get that one. I thought these two would be good for my skin tone, and they are. I mix the two together. I use a light one and I use a medium one. Like, I'll put the light one on first, and then I'll put this one over on top of it, and it looks pretty much like my skin tone, so it's good. But anyways, back to the hair. It does not shed. It's minimal shedding. It's extremely soft. Very soft hair. As you can see, it's flowy. Stiff wear, honey. Stiff wear. It's not stiff. Girl, I got so excited. I done knocked over my damn products. Anyways, but stiff wear. It's not stiff. It's flowy. All I did when I was in DR, like, I would go into the pool, I would go into that damn ocean water, I would come out, go back to my hotel. I would wash the hair, blow dry, and the hair just came back to life every time. Every time. It didn't fail me. I am so happy with this hair. I'm really happy with my purchase. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. And I'm telling y'all, if it can look this natural and this good on me, because I'm not a hair person. Like I don't do hair. I don't know how to really like, you know when you watch YouTube and you see the girls and they slay the hair and you're like, damn, wish I could do that. That's me. That's me watching, being like, oh, I wish I could do that. Can't do it though. Don't know how to do it. So the fact that it looks this natural on me, I'm impressed. That means that it's mostly the wig doing the work with minimal effort from me, okay? So it's very beginner friendly is what I'm trying to get to, is what I'm trying to say. It's very beginner friendly if you're not really somebody who's, you know, skilled in the wig arena, you know what I mean? So yeah, I absolutely love it. Right now the wig is not glued down. It will look even much more melted if I glued it down, but just for this video, I'm gonna take this right off. I didn't glue it down. I just, you know, put it on the tightest straps, and I use the combs, that comes, you know, built into it. So I just clipped both sides, and that's it. So yeah. If I forgot anything that you want to know about the hair, of course, leave a comment down below. I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. If you like this kind of reviews, let me know. I'll do more hair reviews for you guys. I'm trying to think, did I forget anything about the hair? It's beautiful, it's fabulous. Buy it. I love it. Like I said, I only paid $218 for this. Like, what? Girl, get your life, honey. Get your life. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.